So let's loosen it, see how much it buckles in. And plated and plug welded and plated and braced.
Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding out front bumper. As it says on his windshield, dang. Uh-oh.
Back in the garage. Forgot that this shitty car is here. I need to exchange the welding tank. Just headed to Airgas to get our 75-25 mixture, and we can start welding again and finish that shitty car in the garage.
What's up, 125?
Okay, I was gonna wait for Josh to help me help him help me fix his own car, but I just want to get this thing out of here. So I'm just gonna get started. Alright, look who came to work on their own car even though they're leaving for a side drive in Downey, and brought the porta car. Okay, there's no piston in this porta car, Josh.
I need to look inside that.
Alright, Saturday. Alright, show the people what you finally got. We lost it, everyone. The piece that we've been waiting for months now. Yeah, man, it's beams. It's ready to go in. It's ready to be put in my car. The barrier of it putting it in my car is there's a shitty car in my garage. So we gotta get this shitty car out of the garage.
We're gonna drift it in tonight?
No guarantees. Should just have a segment called cleanup time, right?
Hey, whoa, wait. What are you doing? This is my private time.
Alright, Josh, tell the people what you got.
I think it's called the porta power.
So, you see what's going on here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So oil in here?
Yeah, it's a hydraulic ram. It's not gonna slip, right? Alright, so there we go. In the danger zone. Safe though?
Yeah, for the most part.
I don't know why it's buckling up. Okay, well here, to see how much we actually moved it.
I mean, if we drop the motor.
Look, release tension. No? Oh, it's probably bent. It's stuck up. Why now I didn't see how much it moved. What's up, huh?
Just gonna pull it up.
Okay, release. Oh, fuck. Oh, okay, so this thing shifts a lot. Keep going. Right, so let's loosen it, see how much it buckles in. Tight. Okay,
That's
cool.
about an inch.
It's cool, let's test the strut bar now. So
It's on it.
I'm satisfied. You could line up the holes here.
Slow it down.
Oh, okay. I would say it's moving this side more than that side.
Yeah. Because this side is still
I reinforce that side.
pretty much touching the.
It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Just pushing this.
It's fine. It's coming. Hold on. It's going, dude. It's going. Go. Money. Okay, hold on. Let's find your hardware. Because now when you relieve this, all the tension's going to be in this bar.
It's gonna be on the bar. Hopefully the bar doesn't bend.
The bar is probably going to bend, but we're going to try to reinforce it. Okay. Oh yeah.
That's not bent.
I know, that's fine. That's how you know it's working. Alright, on top of all the unprofessional ghetto stuff here, I added this pole, right? Then I put a pole in a pole. You see that?
Oh, okay.
And then I added this sheet here. You see this sheet?
Close it up.
That's from an exhaust and I hammered it. Because I didn't have sheets, so we used exhaust tubing. All right. Okay, so let's look at this. I just plated and plated and plated and plug welded and plated and braced and booger welded this frame rail. And we got the strut bar in. So I think this thing's ready to go. Let's go crash it. All right, garage is a mess and we need to clean this up, bleed the brakes, and clean up the big mess here.
Yes, I'm a man who comes from other countries. Yes, I'm a foreigner as you can see. Yes, I live in a world of progress. And I love the color TV, air conditioned, hairspray. And I like the funny planet for the things and all the rest. But there's something that's the best for me. Yes, I feel very impressed with progress. Yes, more than that we have to learn. Yes, like a beautiful with those devices. Like a topless milky shake, TV cleaners, but less. Like a driving Coca-Cola, paying toilet jumbo jets. But there's something that's the best for me. Bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum for me. Bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum for me. Bubblegum, bubblegum, bubblegum for me.
Okay, got the car down. Just waiting for Josh to get home so we can get my Corolla in the garage.
Yes, I
There he is. All right, come on, get this out. So you go crash it. I already tested it. It doesn't flex anymore. Okay. Oh yeah. Sounds ditty.
Something is the best for me.
This guy. Alright guys, better than before. We got a little gap, credit card fitment right here. Little gap here, little gap there.
I'm a lower end. Watch me with watch. Nah, I'm gonna grab the roll cage. We're good. One.
Honey, you were supposed to tell me how close we were.
You told me to go on the other
I
side.
like how the steering when I pulled the rope.
I'm gonna turn straight.
Next video, I'll be pulling this out. That's it for now. Anything you want to tell the viewers?
Salsa and beer still.
Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, if I get 600 subscribers, I'm gonna post Josh crashing his car. I'll probably post it anyway, regardless.